my dear sisters and brothers. King Ahaz of Judah was very afraid because two kings, the king of Aram and the king of Israel, decided to join their forces and attack Jerusalem, the capital of King Ahaz, Judah. So natakot siya sapagkat alam niya kung gaano kalakas itong dalawang kahariang ito. But the prophet Isaiah told him, "Do not be afraid. God will protect you. God will uphold you." And I think this is also a very good reminder to us. We have many fears in life. We are afraid of the future. We are afraid of our job being lost. We are afraid of getting sick. There are so many things that we are afraid of. But today, we are being reminded by the first reading, do not be afraid. Unfortunately, what did King Ahaz do? Instead of clinging on the Lord, sa halip na kumapit sa Panginoon, kumapit siya sa patalim. What did he do? He allied himself with the king of Assyria. So may kalaban silang dalawang kaharian. Sa halip na lumapit siya sa Panginoon, lumapit siya sa hari ng Assyria na malakas ang puwersa. Pero meron yung kapalit. Because eventually, the king of Assyria conquered Judah. Namali siya ng kinapitan. Namali siya ng nilapitan. Namali siya ng pinagtiwalaan. Kaya nga, sa bandang huli ng ating unang pagbasa, sabi doon, unless your faith is firm, you shall not be firm. Maliban lang kung matibay ang iyong pananampalataya, hindi ka mananatiling nakatayo. Unless your faith is firm, you shall not be firm. You will be unstable. So, it is telling us that faith is what gives us stability when everything around us seems unstable. Kapag napapaligiran tayo ng mga pagsubok, kapag hinahamon tayo ng buhay, ang sabi sa atin ng unang pagbasa, pagtitiwala at pananampalataya sa Diyos ang magbibigay sa iyo ng katatagan. My dear brothers and sisters, many times the things that we are afraid of will not happen. Di ba? Ganyan naman eh. Marami tayong kinatatakutan, pero marami sa mga kinatatakutan natin, hindi naman nangyayari. Pero totoo pa rin na may mga problemang dumarating, may mga pagsubok na hinaharap, pero sa umagang ito, ang sabi sa atin, kumapit ka, hindi sa patalim, kumapit ka sa Panginoon. Amen.